here me da manía, pero so hopefully you can see me. We're going to do a cook with me video, and I am going to have the same bata, whatever the heck you want to call it, on, because I just did the hangover soup video, so now I'm going to cook dinner for us. So, and just to say, Paul tried to get up, he ate 2 bowls of the soup, by the way. That's how good it was. It's going to be a little loud because the kids in that are in that sala playing Xbox. Yeah, so he tried to get up. It's not happening. He went to bed. He was talking about going to San Juan. I knew that wasn't going to happen. So anyways, I'm going to cook dinner. I'm going to make some white rice. I'm going to make a can of red beans. And I am going to use this rice. And I got this rice, this long grain rice. And I got it, I think it was, yeah, it was 5 for $5, so $1 a bag. And I got it because this is the rice that my mother uses, so this is what we're going to be using. Oh, and I'm going to have, because I told you I don't have wine here, they have hard liquor, but I don't want that. Let me show you what they drink. One's gone, but they drink a lot of vodka and Bacardi. This one's de piña, this one's finished. And then Don Q, and this one is Passion. Passion is paucha, I believe. Drink a lot of pitorro, so this one is tamarindo. And this is like, I can't. I tasted it, it's too much. I tasted the cocoa because I thought I would like it, but it's strong. And this one's the cocoa. And they drink a lot of Medalla beer and Heineken's. So I'm gonna have some of this. The kids bought it the first day. They never even opened it. It was in the refrigerator. So why not? Oh, so that's what we're gonna do. Then I'm gonna make some steaks as well. So first, what we're first gonna do is, I guess, marinate the steaks, let them sit, and then we'll start off with the rice. Behind me, I already have the caldero, because she has a caldero here, which I'm so happy because I thought I had to borrow one from my mom. So I have the caldero boiling. I just gotta add the oil and salt, and I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna grab the steaks, and then we're gonna start marinating the steaks. Let them sit for a few seconds while we start the beans and the rice, okay? Because the steaks are gonna cook very fast because they're very thin. I'll be right back. I'm going to make, I think 4 cups of, I'm gonna make 5 cups of rice. I think it'll fit in there. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm just gonna rinse the rice. And then I'm just gonna go over and add it to my stove. I have another video on how I make white rice, so I'll add that to the top link here or at the end of the video. So while our rice is cooking, we're gonna season the steak. So this is what our steak looks like, and I have 6 of them. And I got 6 for $6.47 out here. So I'm gonna start off by just adding some adobo. I would love to add like fresh onions and peppers because I like that with my steak, but I don't have that here, so we're gonna work with what we got. And it's gonna taste pero scrumptious. All right, so we're gonna put some sofrito in that. 2 spoons. And then I have the liquid sazon that you guys see me use in Jersey. So we're gonna use this. This comes in handy, you know, I always tell you guys that. And then I have some accent. You guys see me use this as well. Just sprinkle that on there, like so. I don't have no olive oil, or if not, I would have put a little olive oil. And I'm just going to do it with the fork. Give them a quick toss. And I'm going to add a little more adobo. And a little bit more of the liquid sazon. And give it a toss again. I don't think I put garlic powder because I was supposed to do like a big compra and I still haven't gotten a chance to do it. So maybe tomorrow do it, because we haven't, like I said, been here, and every time I go to my parents' house they're cooking, so some good food, so you can't turn that down. Next time I go over there, I'm gonna she's making fresh patitas with fresh beans in the pressure cooker. So we're gonna leave this like this, and we're just gonna put it to the side, and then we're gonna start with our beans, okay? So this is what the steaks are looking like. Hopefully you guys can see everything. Okay, so here I'm boiling water for my pasteles, and we're gonna make our beans here, because I don't have a big enough bean pot in this house, so we're gonna have to make the beans here, transfer them into a bowl, and then make our steak and the steaks in here as well. All right, let's start off by adding our beans. So we're making red beans, and I drained the liquid out of the can already. Right, and to that we're gonna add I don't know, like 1 tablespoon of salsa tomate. So to that I'm going to add some sofrito. I'm gonna add about 3. I don't know, I always feel like when it's from the jar, the can, it's not as strong as when I add fresh cilantro and all my fresh spices that I like to add. To that I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves, and I hope the lighting is good in here. I have the kitchen lights on. So here's, oh, se fueron 3, so there's 3. I'm gonna add 1 envelope of accent, and this accent is cilantro and achote, okay? And I'm gonna add 2 envelopes of ham seasoning. I feel like when I put it here, you can see it better. So we're adding 2 of that. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of adobo. I don't have garlic powder, but if you have it, add it. Entonces I'm gonna add un poquito of the liquid sazon, all right? Ming, you okay?
Yeah.
What are you doing, girl? Nothing. And to that I'm gonna give it a mix. So Gigi, come here. So, hold on. Okay, now. So how you like the Puerto Rico house? Are you happy to be in Puerto Rico?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you most excited to do? How did you guys should have known she was gonna say
On
that.
the beach though.
Yeah, that's why we were gonna go to Fajardo. Because she wants to ride horses on the beach.
I never done that before. I never rode a horse on the beach.
I'm adding about 2 cups of water to my beans.
I'm eating her top.
Yeah, she's in Puerto Rico and still eating Takis.
They're my favorite chips.
I added 2 coffee mugs of water. My kids like the juice of the beans on their rice, so I always make sure that my beans come out for the most part thick, but enough sauce for them. So,
About a thumb to a finger, like that.
a thumb to a finger.
No, the pointer. That's a
Okay, so we're gonna, let me get down here. We're gonna allow these beans to come to a boil, and then I'll show you the next step. I'm just gonna wait for the big pot to get boiling so I can put the pasteles, the rice is cooking, and then after I'm done with the beans, then we'll go over and start our rice.
There's a stray cat outside, and I named it Orphan.
She found a cat outside, so Seguida, that's like her cat, like, you know.
I feed it.
She wants to show you guys. So, being that we are in Puerto Rico on vacation, cooking vlogs are not going to be regular cooking vlogs or cooking tutorials, you know, because I want you guys to like enjoy and kind of, what's the word I want to use? And like feel like you're here with us on this vacation. So I'm really gonna try my hardest to translate that through my videos. So Gigi's gonna take you outside while I clean la cocina to show you the cat, okay?
And I give it like a little small piece
Here, don't drop the camera.
of like a bread with like corn in it. And that stray cat is
wait, let me see. She's giving them this. I made them this for breakfast. Lo cerrillo de maíz. So that's what she's giving them. They had this with eggs for breakfast.
Yeah, I just dropped this one. Yeah. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna flip the camera back so you can see. Okay. The cat's outside. That's the cat right there if you see it. Meow. Here. Meow. Meow. Here. Look, it's right there. It's right there. You didn't see it. You didn't. You didn't see it. Look. There. Look. You won't see it. Alright, I'm gonna leave you. Goodbye. Bye. I have to go. I have to go. But I have to. Oh no, 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 no. You're not getting close to me. Sit down. Okay, bye-bye. I showed them the cat.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if you can see where that car is. Ay, Dios mío, I could see, but I don't know why. You can't see, but there's a guy right there, and he sets up a tent. There's 2 girls sitting there, and there's a car there and a bike. But in the morning, people line up, social distancing, guys. There was a line all day, and what he sells is, I'm thinking it's homemade hand sanitizer and cleaning products, and people are coming by the dozen buying off of him. And yeah, this morning there was a line, yesterday was a line, and that's all he has on the table. So I wanted to share that with you. Okay guys, so I had ordered yesterday some root vegetables, some yautía and stuff. So this is what's left of it. I'm gonna add it in there. And it's like a potato. You can add potato in your beans. I don't have it, so I'm gonna add this. It's very soft and it's delicious, so I don't want to utilize it. I don't want to throw it away, so I'm going to add this to my beans. Now all my kids are outside feeding the cat.
Does somebody own her?
I don't know. It might. It could be the
so
neighbors.
friendly to us. Like it's not like
Maybe somebody who lives like up there or up there or something. Because normally she's under that tree right
It might be
there.
the neighbors. That's why she's over here chilling.
Yeah, well, she's been under that tree a long time.
She was.
Yeah, so
we should.
She's a baby. She's a kitten.
yeah. All right, guys. So these are the beans. I'm gonna give it about 5 more minutes. See how nice and thick they are, and then I'll just put it in another bowl so that I can start the steaks. Oh my God, they smell good. They taste good. Oh, don't fall. Okay, so I'll be right back. I don't have olive oil, so I'm going to end up using a little bit of vegetable oil, just a tiny bit. And then we're going to start adding our steak. I'm going to put my stove at a medium heat, okay? I'm not going to have enough space for all 6 steaks, but I'm just going to add these for now, and I have it on medium heat, and I'm going to allow them to cook. Oh my God, it smells very, very good. I'm going to cover it up for about 5 minutes, okay? Here.
On the go.
That way.
I got a picture of the business too. I can put it on there.
Okay. Wait, you want some of this?
That's who's a goat, man. What happened?
You want some?
yeah, because the pieces
I just came back from Liberal. Liberal. In Cidra, downtown Cidra. One is cheese, a flan with cheese, and a flan vanilla.
I beat you already 2 times. Try it. I'm gonna keep playing with it.
It's good.
What's in here?
That's some regular donut.
Can I eat
Yeah. What do you want to eat?
Take a plate right there.
rice and steak, I guess?
Oh, those are donut holes? Oh, okay, for Gia.
Yeah, I wanted those.
Look.
Oh my God.
All right, Jojo, what do you want to eat, puppy? White rice? Huh? All right, guys, so let me end this Cook With Me video. This is some octopus salad, yes, that I had from yesterday. Those are the beans I made, the white rice, a half a pastel, which PJ says not that good, and we got that from the restaurant. I'm sorry. We got that from that restaurant that I told you I regret buying from yesterday. So I took a half, and then there's the steak, and this is it. This is the end result of the Cook With Me video, the first cooking vlog in the house in Cidra. So if you haven't already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next video. And I got. All right, got you on video, cuz. Where is she?
That was Joey. You want me to do it?
No, I got her right now. That's my cousin Angelina. Oh my God, God bless her. She's brave because I couldn't do that. ¡Ay, Dios mío! Se rompió 2 pedis. They did it. All right, baby.